Good morning. Welcome to the City of Houston and new employee orientation. My name is Gary Wilkins with Empower Retirement, and we're pleased to be the record keeper for the City of Houston's Deferred Compensation Program. Today you'll learn more about how you save and invest for your future with the City of Houston Deferred Compensation Plan. Empower Retirement is proud to be the record keeper for the City of Houston Deferred Compensation Program. 1 in every 3 government employees in the United States saves for their future with Empower Retirement. We've been chosen by the City of Houston to provide the record-keeping, education, and communication service for this benefit. Our goal is to help you maximize the program to save for your future. Our knowledgeable staff will work with you throughout your career to provide you the information that you need to help you make the right financial decision for your future. Getting started. What is a 457B plan? This is the section of the Internal Revenue Code that lets you, an employee of the City of Houston, save and invest extra money for your retirement. It's a way of paying yourself first. You can voluntarily set aside some of your income before you pay current taxes on it. In 2016, you can contribute a maximum of 100% of your pay or $18,000 to the program. Contributions to this plan are voluntary. Earnings can be tax-deferred or tax-free depending on which option that you choose. You invest a portion of your paycheck to grow your assets and grow your financial security. Who is eligible to enroll in the City of Houston Deferred Compensation Plan? All regular full-time and part-time employees on city payroll that work at least 20 hours per week are eligible to join the plan. You can get started for as little as $1 a day, or a minimum of $15 per biweekly paycheck. No one can help you take action to invest in your future better than you, so start saving today. Workers who turn age 50 before December the 31st of this calendar year can contribute an additional $6,000 in the plan, for a total of $24,000 for a worker age 50 or older. Once in your career, once you're eligible within 3 years for your normal retirement under your respective City of Houston pension system, if you did not put in the maximum amount to the program from your very first paycheck, you can go back and catch up on your contributions for up to 3 calendar years. It's important to note that you cannot use age 50 plus catch-up and special catch-up in the same calendar year. These 2 options are provided by the government to help you maximize the gains offered in these programs. The reasons to enroll now in the Deferred Compensation Program is to make sure that you pay yourself first. You need a tax-deferred savings strategy. The investment choices that we offer in the Deferred Compensation Plan are regularly reviewed by the Advisory Committee and an outside registered investment advisory firm to make sure that the options offered you, the City of Houston employee, are appropriate for your future. You have convenient account management tools, which we will describe in more detail in just a few moments. Our local staff has over 100 years experience with employees just like you, helping them plan and save for their investment future. Planning for your future. How much will you need to save for your retirement, and where will the money come from? Half of our city employees, the civilian workers, pay into Social Security. The city also makes a Social Security contribution for municipal employees. Our sworn police officers and firefighters do not pay into Social Security. All city employees are currently covered by a pension plan provided for by the City of Houston. You may have personal savings outside of the retirement plan, and we hope that you do. But to save for your future, we offer a tax-deferred retirement plan, the Deferred Compensation Plan, to make sure that you have access for a financially secure retirement. Saving enough to afford retirement. Most financial advisors say you'll need at least 70% of your pre-retirement earnings to maintain your standard of living in retirement. Many people are living longer and healthier lives than ever before. Social Security likely will not be enough to maintain your standard of living. Don't forget about inflation. Things are going to cost more in the future than they cost today. Because of the impact of inflation, goods and services in the future will cost more than they cost today. We're here to help you overcome inflation by maximizing the potential tax advantage benefits of our program. As you can see in the attached illustration, the earlier that you start saving for your future, you can grow a higher retirement benefit. Understanding how risk affects your journey. Consider putting your money that you're saving in the deferred compensation plan in a number of different investment options. This is called diversifying your portfolio. Remember, this is a long-term plan. Make sure that you have a strategy that is appropriate for you. We are here to help you create a diversified plan to ensure a comfortable retirement for your future. To help you with your retirement plan, the City of Houston allows you to roll over former employer plans into the deferred compensation plan and traditional IRAs. The only retirement plan that we cannot accept a rollover contribution from is a Roth IRA. Make sure that you discuss your rollover options with your financial or tax advisor before making this decision. One of the most frequently asked questions that we receive is, when can you take a withdrawal from your deferred compensation account? You can withdraw money from deferred compensation when you retire, when you separate from service, or if you're still working at age 70 and a half. Remember that your beneficiary receives the money if you pass away, so that we ask that you keep your beneficiaries current throughout your career. Our knowledgeable staff will help you create a personalized strategy to give you financial security for a comfortable retirement. Once you decide on which options is appropriate for you, either a lump sum distribution, setting up a periodic payment, purchasing an annuity, or doing a partial lump sum, our staff is here to help you with your distribution options. The fee for the program is the individual investment choice that you have your money invested in. There's no other cost associated with the deferred compensation program. The city pays the record-keeping cost for our services on your behalf. Another frequently asked question is about, does the plan offer a loan program? Yes, loans are a voluntary election that an employee makes. You're allowed to borrow up to 50% of your deferred compensation account balance, not to exceed $50,000. The minimum plan loan is $1,000. There's a $50 loan origination fee that would come out of your loan check. While your loan is outstanding, there's an additional $6.25 quarterly cost on your account.
Start right there.
You have up to 5 years to repay your deferred compensation loan unless you're using the money to purchase your primary residence. If you are using the money to purchase your primary residence, you can extend that term for up to 15 years, provided that you provide the appropriate documentation on your home loan. What is a Roth 457 deferral option? This is an option to save tax-free in our program. You pay your taxes now, so you're saving after tax. All earnings on your Roth account grow tax-free if you keep the money in the plan until you're age 59 and a half, and you've had your Roth account set up for at least 5 years. This is a way to create tax-free income for your future. The deferred compensation plan offers both the traditional before-tax option, we call that pre-tax savings, and also the Roth 457 option. This slide shows you that you can save either before tax or Roth in the plan, or a lot of employees take advantage of saving both. It's important to note, between before tax and Roth, your contributions under the normal limit cannot exceed $18,000 in 2016. So go after your destination. I encourage you to invest a portion of your pay into this benefit for your long-term financial security. Our knowledgeable local staff is here to help you throughout your career. The forms that you will receive are included in the enrollment book that our representative will speak with you in just a few moments. The City of Houston Deferred Compensation Plan has tools available to you to keep track of your retirement assets. Our plan website is houstondcp.com. You can check your account balance and make investment changes to your plan at any time. If you'd like to speak with a client service representative, they're available from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. local time by calling 1-800-701-8255 Monday through Friday. We realize that a lot of employees prefer to be looking at their account on a mobile device. Visit houstondcp.com from your smartphone, click on the links, and you'll have access to your account on your phone. Core securities in the program are offered through GWFS Equities and other broker-dealers. Our representatives are not attorneys or tax advisors, so please consult with your professional before investing in the program. If you have questions about the Deferred Compensation Program, our award-winning service team has over 100 years experience and are here every weekday to help you invest and save money for your future. A team member will be happy to speak with you about your retirement plans. One of our representatives will be visiting with you in just a few moments to help you get started on the right path for your financial future. Our representatives' emails are listed above, and our office phone number is 713-426-5588. Welcome to the City of Houston. The local staff looks forward to working with you throughout your career to make sure that you maximize this benefit. Thank you for joining us here today.